Creating a professional email signature adds a personal touch and leaves a lasting impression. Zeninbox makes it easy to craft and manage your email signatures. Let's explore how you can create your signature and elevate your email communication. Navigate to the Mailboxes tab. Select the mailbox you wish to add a signature for. Click on the Signature option in the left panel. Add a new signature. Click the Add Signature button to open the signature editor. Name your signature. Provide a unique name for your signature to easily identify it. Example, daily reports or official signature. Craft your message. Use the rich text editor to design your signature. Include essential details like your name, job title, company, contact information, and social media links. Add images or logos to make your signature visually appealing. Formatting options. Choose fonts, sizes, and alignment to align your signature with your brand style. Use bold and italic text for emphasis where needed. Set as default. Check the Set as Default box if you want this signature to be used automatically for all outgoing emails from this mailbox. Save your signature. Click the Save button to finalize and store your signature. Why create an email signature? Establish credibility with a polished and consistent signature. Reinforce your brand with logos and custom designs. Provide easy access to your details, making it simple for recipients to reach out. Thank you for enhancing your communication with Zeninbox.